The call of the wild, the serenity of nature. Hiking offers an escape like no other. It's a chance to reconnect with the outdoors, challenge ourselves, and discover breathtaking beauty. But even in the most picturesque settings, hidden dangers can lurk. From unpredictable weather and treacherous terrain to unexpected wildlife encounters and navigational challenges, a truly safe hike requires more than just good intentions. It demands preparation, awareness, and respect for the environment. In this video, we'll explore the often overlooked dangers of hiking and equip you with the knowledge to navigate them safely, ensuring your outdoor adventures remain unforgettable for all the right reasons. Let's start by understanding the risks. One of the most common dangers is challenging terrain. Trails can be unpredictable, ranging from smooth paths to steep, rocky scrambles. Loose rocks, slippery roots, muddy sections, and uneven surfaces can lead to falls, sprains, or even more serious injuries. Always be mindful of where you place your feet, especially on descents or after rain. Next up, unpredictable weather. Mountain weather, in particular, can change in an instant. A sunny morning can quickly turn into a cold, wet, or even stormy afternoon. Hypothermia, even in mild temperatures, is a real threat if you're caught unprepared. Thunderstorms bring the risk of lightning, and fog can drastically reduce visibility, making it easy to get lost. Always check the forecast before you go, and be prepared for anything. Then there are the wildlife encounters. While, most animals prefer to avoid humans, unexpected interactions can definitely occur. From venomous snakes and spiders to larger animals like bears, cougars, or even wild pigs, knowing how to react is crucial. Even seemingly harmless insects can pose a threat, with bites and stings leading to allergic reactions or transmitting diseases like Lyme disease or West Nile virus. So respect their space, know their habits, and be prepared for the unlikely. Finally, we have navigational challenges and getting lost. Even on well-maintained trails, it's surprisingly easy to lose your way if you're not paying attention. Trail markers can sometimes be obscured, or you might just take a wrong turn. Disorientation can lead to panic, poor decisions, and potentially spending an unplanned night outdoors, exposed to the elements. Now that we understand the dangers, let's talk about strategies for staying safe. Preparation is paramount. Before you even step onto the trail, research your route thoroughly. Know the terrain, elevation changes, and typical weather patterns for the area. Pack the 10 essentials: navigation tools, sun protection, insulation, illumination, first aid supplies, fire starter, repair kit, extra food, extra water, and emergency shelter. Dress in layers, avoiding cotton, and wear appropriate, broken-in footwear. Always tell someone your plans. Inform a trusted friend or family member about your hiking route, your estimated return time, and who you're with. If possible, hike with a buddy. There's safety in numbers, and honestly, having an extra set of eyes and ears can be invaluable. While you're on the trail, practice situational awareness. Pay attention to your surroundings, the trail conditions, and any changes in weather. And hey, don't rely solely on your phone for navigation. Carry a physical map and compass, and make sure you know how to use them. When it comes to wildlife encounters, the key is to avoid them if possible. It's a good idea to make some noise to alert animals to your presence, especially if you're moving through dense vegetation. Always store your food properly so you don't attract any curious critters. If you do happen to encounter wildlife, give them plenty of space. Never approach, feed, or try to pet animals. If an animal seems agitated or changes its behavior because of you, just slowly and calmly back away. In areas where bears are known to be around, consider carrying bear spray and make sure you know how to use it safely. And, of course, remember, leave no trace. Pack out everything you pack in, including even those tiny food scraps, to prevent habituating animals to human food sources. Even with the best preparation, emergencies can happen. That's why knowing basic first aid is essential. Always carry a well-stocked kit and understand how to treat common hiking injuries like blisters, sprains, or minor cuts. If you get lost, try to stay calm. Use your map and compass or GPS to reorient yourself. If you're truly disoriented and can't find your way, just stay put, conserve your energy, and signal for help using a whistle, mirror, or some brightly colored clothing. 3 short blasts on a whistle is actually a universal distress signal. Hiking is a profound and rewarding experience that connects us to the natural world in a unique way. By understanding the potential dangers and equipping ourselves with the right knowledge and tools, we can mitigate risks and embrace the beauty of the outdoors with confidence. Remember, the goal isn't to fear the wild, but to respect it, prepare for it, and engage with it responsibly. So, go forth, explore, and discover the wonders that await on the trail. Hike smart, hike safe, and truly enjoy every step of your journey.